Popular dancehall entertainer Rygin is currently in the United States for medical treatment after he was shot multiple times some months ago. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and I'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. As you know, the popular dancehall entertainer Rygin has been undergoing some medical treatment for some time now after he was seriously hurt in what is being described as a targeted attack on the dancehall entertainer. The entertainer was shot multiple times and had to be rushed to hospital, where he remained there for a number of months while undergoing treatment. So the recorded artist Rygin is currently now in the United States, where he is seeking medical help for an injury he sustained last year. According to local reports, the entertainer left the island on Wednesday to get help for damage he suffered, in which a bullet grazed his spine. The shootout occurred after the tough singer was traveling from his hometown in Norwood, St. James to a function. The 25-year-old was shot and injured and rushed to hospital on the 28th of June last year. The dancehall entertainer is set to release a new single entitled Plead My Cause, talking about his experience from the incident. So as you know, the dancehall entertainer has been steadily recovering, and when the incident occurred last year, a number of his fans were in total shock and disbelief based on the development that came out of that shooting incident. But he's trying his very best to put back his life together, and we just want to wish him all the best in his recovery process, as he's a very talented dancehall entertainer and we wouldn't want to see anything happen to him. Even though the police have not made any arrest in relation to the shooting, the artist is still maintaining a low composure after the incident. So we'll continue to just track this story and provide you with any more information to come once it's available to us. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless, and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, for always continuing to watching and subscribing to the channel. Have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV family.